I've always been a believer of charging high ticket prices so you can make more money. Let me go inside and I'll run you through the exact 3 stages so you can know exactly what to charge depending on which stage you're in. Well, I just want to say, if your offer is shit, none of this will work. So it's really, really important that your offer is the one that drives the right people to buy from you. So stage 1 is 6-month coaching and 12-month coaching. You have to understand, you can't sell a 4-week challenge or a 6-week challenge or a 12-week coaching to a serious person. Like, I'm someone who is in the phase of building muscle. I want to keep my fat down, and I have gone through enough stages to understand that it takes time. It's a lifestyle change. So you have to address it that way. Therefore, you have to create the offer for the person, and you have to educate them and explain to them, hey, listen, if you're looking for a quick fix, guess what? You might get some quick win, but it will also go very quickly. So it's all about speaking to your prospect and explaining to them, hey, this is the reason why I do 6-month coaching and 12-month coaching. Now, to price these up properly, you want to charge, to start off with, £2,000 for 6 months, and you want to charge £3,000 for 12 months. This is when you are starting off, and this is phase 1. So it is one offer, but it's 2 tiers of access, because in a way what you want to do is you want to present the 3,001 first, and then hope that they're going to say, no, actually I'll go for, sorry, you want to present the 12-month one as the 3,000, and when they look at the 6 month, which is 2,000, the 12-month one will be an absolute no-brainer for them to take. And if you actually break this down, guys, think about this. 3,000, divide that by 12, right? What is it? What's the maths? It works out, I think, 5, 10, works out about £300 a month, right? Probably even less than that. Now, no, does it? No, it works out 254, 8, 12. It works out 250 quid a month. For someone to get healthier, right? For 250 quid a month, where they get a full training plan, get a full nutrition plan, and more, no brainer. It just depends who you are speaking to. At the moment, probably some of you watching this will be probably thinking, no way someone will pay me this. It's because you're speaking to broke people, right? You have to understand that in order to sell to people that have money, you have to sometimes come out of your little bubble and speak to a different set of people, and you will see that, wow, I didn't even know this world exists out here. And I'm telling you this now, like, imagine if I went to a personal trainer or online coach and said, hey, listen, can you help me? Like, I want to put some muscle on, this is my goal. And they sold me a 12-week coaching. I wouldn't even buy it. I wouldn't even believe them. So I'm saying all this to say there is buyers out there in the marketplace that will pay these prices, and they will take it seriously, which means you will attract premium buyers and you will have a high ticket offer, and I promise you it will sell like hotcakes. You just need to understand the thing that's going to stop you is you getting it in your own way. I promise you that. So this is stage 1. Then stage 2 is you improve these offers and you increase these prices, and the next price for you would be 5k. Now, obviously, I need you to understand, again, there will be people that will pay you for that. Now, if you're thinking, well, who would pay for just a simple nutrition plan and a simple training plan? No, this is where it comes back to what I originally started with. Your offer needs to be good. So it's all about creating the right type of offer, which is value-packed, where they think, wow, I'm getting more than a training and nutrition plan. And it's a separate video I will do another time to tell you how to create a grand slam offer. But for now, I just need you to understand, most likely if you're watching this, you either don't have a great offer, which therefore you can't sell these high ticket prices. And that's what I'm a believer of. Think about this. If you're selling something for even 2k, you'll need to sell 5 clients to make 10k. If you're selling something for 3k, again, if you only sold to 5 people throughout the whole month, you're making 15k. And if you've done the same with a 5k offer, you only need to sell 5 a month and you're making 25k a month. Like, it's doable, and you can do it too. You just need to believe in yourself. And I think this is one of the things, like, I've struggled with people that I've helped. It's like they don't believe that they can charge them, and sometimes I have to grab them by the mouth and like listen, you can. Like, I want to shake their heads and tell them that believe in your fucking self, like, you can. And then it's not about rah-rah motivation. It's about then explaining the framework and the method and strategically, technically, how to do that. But first, like in most cases, especially in this one, that what's going to happen is you're going to fight yourself, because it's your own beliefs, your own patterns, your own, psychological warfare that's going to happen, which is going to stop you from doing this. So if you would like help with creating a 6-month, 12-month, 2k, 3k, 5k offer, and you want my help with that, you're more than welcome to apply through the link in my bio. Come here. Come to see me in person in Manchester. I only like doing it like face-to-face in person, so I can feel your energy, you can feel mine, and I can give you my 100% attention, see what the constraints are, see where you're stuck, and then help you draw up a plan to help you get to your whatever your goal is in terms